Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change email on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then at the bottom right corner click on your profile image button. After that, at the top right click on the three lines. After that, you need to click on the first one option, account center, and then under account settings heading you need to find personal details option. Here it is. After that, click on the first one option, contact info, and then at the bottom of the screen you need to click on the blue button, add new contact, and then click on the add email. After that, you need to enter your new email address, and then you can click on the old one email address, and then here you can click on the delete email. So after that this email will be deleted. So and that's all, and that's how to change email on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.